What's up, guys? Welcome back to All Wings Everything. I am your cook Spinelli. I am the self-proclaimed wing king and the prince and ruler of all lemon pepper wings. Now, in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make crispy Korean fried chicken. Now, if you're a fan of Korean style chicken, you're gonna love this recipe. I really enjoyed it, guys, so I hope you're in your kitchen. I'm already in mine, so let's go. All right, so here are the ingredients we're going to use for today's recipe. We're going to use our Publix green wise chicken. We have 2 eggs, baking soda. We have some roasted red chili paste, kosher salt, soy sauce, rice vinegar. We're going to use some ginger juice, sesame oil, fish sauce, and brown sugar. So these are the ingredients we're going to use. So get in your kitchen and let's go. All right, so I've already measured out our ingredients and cut and cleaned our chicken. So what we have here, we have 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and I'm using the egg white of 2 eggs. So what we're gonna do now is place our baking powder into the bowl with our egg whites and then add your salt to that. And what you wanna do is give that a good mix. Make sure you combine it well. It may lump up on you, but make sure you get all the lumps out of it. This is how it should look. So let's move on. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna pour that mixture over our chicken pieces. And we're going to take a spoon and we're gonna give that a good mix to make sure we coat each piece into this egg mixture. All right. And once you do that, we'll move on. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're going to take those chicken pieces and we're gonna place them on a wired rack. We're not going to start cooking them at the moment. We're going to sit them in the refrigerator for about an hour or two to let them dry out. Once you have them in there about an hour or two, what we'll do is we'll remove them and we'll start the cooking process. So go ahead, remove your chicken pieces, add them to a wire rack, place them in your refrigerator, and I'll see you guys in the next couple hours. All right, so now we've aligned our baking sheet with aluminum foil, and we're going to spray our grates with cooking spray. Again, y'all know this helps with easy cleanup and making sure your chicken doesn't stick to your pan. So I'll see you guys in the next step. All right, so now the chicken pieces are ready to be removed from the refrigerator. Here they are. And what we're going to do now is we're going to add them to this baking sheet, skin side down, 1/2 inch to 1 inch apart. Try not to overcrowd your pan. All right, so once you remove your chicken pieces, we'll move on to the next step. All right, so now it's time to place these bad babies into the oven. I've already preheated the oven to 400 degrees, and we're going to allow these bad babies to cook for 40 minutes, turning them over midway through the process after 20 minutes, because remember, we like our chicken to cook on both sides equally. So set your timer and I'll see you guys in the next step. All right, so now we're halfway through the cooking process. What we're gonna do is we're going to flip our chicken pieces over to let them finish cooking on the other side for the last 20 minutes. Go ahead, flip your chicken pieces over, and we'll move on. All right, so I've already measured out our ingredients for our sauce. So what we have here, we have 4 tablespoons of minced garlic. We have 1 teaspoon of ginger juice, 1/4 of a cup of chili paste, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. So these are the ingredients we're going to use. So let's go ahead and make this sauce. All right, so in this step, we're going to start preparing our sauce. So you want to add your minced garlic. Next, your rice wine vinegar, your soy sauce, your fish sauce, your sesame oil, your ginger juice, your brown sugar, your chili paste, and give that a good mix. Make sure you mix it well. You want to turn this mixture up. You want it to start boiling. Once it comes to a boil, you want to continue to stir it for about a minute or two. And then you want to reduce your heat and allow it to simmer for about 2 minutes and continue to stir. Then now you want to remove it from the eye
and you want to pour this mixture into an empty dish. You see how the sauce thicken, guys? All right, let's move on. All right, so now our chicken pieces are done. We're going to remove them from the oven and sit them over here on the counter to take a look at them. Take a look at these guys. Now, guys, these wings are supposed to look like this with this color. They are Korean fried wings. So, all right, let's move on to the next step. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna remove these chicken pieces from the pan over to this bowl. See, take a look at them, guys. They're fully cooked. They look delicious too. All right, so go ahead and remove your chicken pieces, and I'll see you in the next step. Time to sauce them. By the way, guys, they are crispy, just so you know. So in this step right here, what we're gonna do is we're going to add our Korean sauce over our wings. I'm just gonna pour it all over the wings. Grab your lid and do a little shake it, bake it, bake it, bake it, shake it, bake it, bake it, bake it. All right, remove your lid, and this is what we have. Sweet goodness. All right, I'll see you guys in the next step. All right, so now it's time to add. All right, so now it's time to add these pieces to a clean plate. So remove your chicken pieces, add them to a clean plate, and we'll move on to finalize this recipe. And there you have it, guys. Korean fried wings. Yes, this is it. This is what you guys been waiting for. Absolutely delicious. Guys, if you like Korean fried wings, you're gonna love this recipe. And I know the chicken doesn't look like it's crisp, but trust me, it came out crispy. Don't let the color when it came out fool you. These are crispy wings. Take a look at that. All right, guys, now the ingredients are in the video description below. The measurements also in the video description below. You can always hit those links down in the video description if you don't have the items or the ingredients for this recipe. And again, I appreciate you guys for stopping by. Also, go check out that All Wings Everything merch. Go get you one of them All Wings Everything t-shirts. And guys, I will see you in my next video. And I am out. Peace.